We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at the one-bedroom apartment 2F. Let's go on in. This is one of just 2 one-bedroom units here in this whole building of Collegetown Plaza. We have come down to the 2nd floor. The entrance to the building is on floor 4 on the north side of the building. We are on the south side of the building. Let's take a look in the kitchen. I like this kitchen because it has the newer updated appliances, the renovated cabinets. In here, you can see the microwave, there's the dishwasher, under the sink, the stove and oven, and that refrigerator, and great cabinet space in here for one person, definitely. We've got a couple drawers. So that's the kitchen area, and I like how it's tucked in over here on the side. As we're going back through, right across from the entrance is a small hall closet. I like this closet. This is great for boxes, winter coats, luggage, storage, things like that. Let's go by and see the bathroom. That's this door right over here, directly across from the entrance. And the bathroom is just like we've seen elsewhere in Collegetown Plaza. So you have that tub shower with a sliding door. There's the vanity that opens up underneath for more storage. The toilet, towel bars, a nice big mirror. And over on the right, there's also a small cabinet that opens for storage of smaller items in the bathroom. This is a generous living space down here. This separation of a living room from your bedroom is what makes a difference between a one-bedroom apartment and a studio apartment. You can see we've got our dining table and chairs over here. You can arrange the furniture however you like within the apartment. They just have it set up this way for today. And let's take a look at the seating areas. We've got some tables, there's a sofa and easy chair, and there's another table over here. We're on the south side of the building. We are overlooking that lower Dryden Road parking lot. So you can see some of the covered spaces and open spaces out there, and you can see to the south a little bit of a valley view out there. We are down on the lower part of the building. It is so quiet in this apartment and very private. You're really separated from the whole rest of the building down here. There is one larger apartment across the hall and then 5 studios, and that's it. Those are the only apartments down here on floor 2 in Collegetown Plaza. There is an elevator. Again, we start on the 4th floor to come into the building. Here's the bedroom. So it does have a separate door. We're gonna go on in. You can see the furnishings. There is that tall bookshelf, a nice dresser, the desk and chair. Let's take a look at this closet area before we go see the bed setup. There's a pair of closets out here, which I think is really great. So you have a lot of storage space here in this apartment. Let's go back on over. We're going to see the bed and the window over here. So we have another air conditioner. The previous tenant has left some room darkening shades in here. We have left them in here for you. So they're normally not part of an apartment, but we have left them. That does make this a nice dark room at night if you like that for sleeping, a nice dark room. I love this little nook over here. This fits the bed just perfectly right over in here. So we've got the full-size bed. So I think that's a great setup. Collegetown Plaza is located at 111 Dryden Road. We're half a block from the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road. And from there, of course, we are just 1 block to campus. Collegetown Plaza is an elevator building. We've got the entrance on the 4th floor, and we have come down to the 2nd floor. There are stairs and an elevator that you can use. You can watch the building overview videos to see how the building fits together. And here we are in Collegetown Plaza, apartment 2F, one of just 2 one-bedroom apartments here at this building, located at 111 Dryden Road.